But look, there is nothing wrong with staying on demo. There is nothing wrong with practicing your craft. Ooh, so now we got the pepper. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another day in the life. We are back after a 6 day off. 6 day off. 6 days off of YouTube, off trading, off everything. You know, I've been off everything, you know, just to get my mental health right and my confidence back up. Listen, we back now. Market opens in a couple minutes. But before I get on that, I want to say that I did end up losing the funded account, which is not a big deal for me, but like for me, it is what it is. We lose funded accounts, we lose challenges, we lose a whole bunch of stuff, and just like this, right? Markets have been going crazy. I've been watching the markets, but I haven't been trading at all. Markets have been going crazy. You know, it's just been, you know, up and down, really choppy. But after the trading session, I am gonna explain what I'm doing with the challenges, or am I gonna be on demo, or am I gonna buy a straight to funded account? We'll see. It's just after the trading session, I will explain everything to you guys. All right, so we are back. It is 9:38. I kind of recorded a little late, but overall bias, I do want to go long. I do want to see longs happening. We took out internal liquidity on 30-minute, 15-minute, and 5-minute, so I really do want to see longs here. We're getting a little bit of a pullback here, but let's just see what happened. Hopefully we could catch it up. All right, so right now, bias is up in the air right now because it is giving mixed emotions. This market doesn't know where it want to go. There's no news until 2. There's FOMC meeting, but right now there's really nothing that I can do. Literally nothing I can do. These are targets for take profits for longs, and these are liquidity areas for me because I want to go long. But right now I'm gonna just sit on my hands. It is 9:44. It's about to be 9:45. So once 9:45 to 10:10 pops around, we should be good. All right, so I am long off this liquidity sweep here and this heat zone that we have on the heat map too. Now, so we are long. It's looking like we're having a little bit of rejection here, but listen, I'm trying out different strategies. I'm trying out different price action with this order flow and everything. So we'll see. Right now we are in long. I like it. So I'm gonna wait area of liquidity. My TP is going to be maybe this area right here. Could be a 1 to 1.5, or this area right here holding to a 1 hour liquidity. It's looking like a quick L right here. We're down 700. We're down crazy right now, but I'm not even worried about it. Listen, I trust the process. I trust this heat map too. So you know, let's just see what happens. We're down 630 right now, but you know, it is what it is. Let's see what happens. All right, so we were kind of back at our break-even point. We were back at -600, but I'm thinking we might get stopped. Honestly, we might get stopped because price action is so choppy right now. Really choppy. We do have 2 p.m. FOMC, like I said earlier. We do have it. We're probably just gonna accumulate until that time. It is choppy though. We might get stopped out right here. But yeah, I don't know. If we get stopped out, it's one trade only, just like regular rules on a challenge. Yeah, I like it though. I really do like the longs. Gonna target these hourly liquidity up here. It's really unrealistic, but I think we could do it. And this could be TP1 right here, this 30-minute area of liquidity here. So should be good, but we'll see. So we ended up getting stopped out. Honestly though, there should have not been any trades today. I only entered off of this inspection off a fair value gap, so inverse fair value gap. That's what I entered off. But besides that, there was no fair value gaps in between here. There was no order blocks in between here. There was none of that. So honestly, this should have been a no trade day. But you know me, I'm practicing still. I'm getting back on a chalkboard and practicing again. So I'm okay with this loss. I understand why I got in, and I understand why I lost. But it is what it is. There was no fair value gap. There was no confirmation in this thing besides the disrespect of the fair value gap. There was no an extra confluence to continue to the upside. So that's exactly why I took a loss. But listen, we back now. We are back. We're back on the charts after a couple days. A slow start, honestly. Today wasn't really like a trading optimal trading day. Honestly, in the markets today is just like, you know, really choppy once again. It's moving 100 ticks here, 100 ticks there, 50 ticks there. It's just crazy. But before I continue this video, I do have to go to work. Let me just give you some lighting here. I do have to go to work, but before I go to work, let me explain what we're gonna be doing and how I'm gonna be approaching this new fund that I'm going to get. I haven't got it yet, but I'm going to end up getting an eval here soon. And as you guys can see with my trading in the past, it's either stop loss, it's either break even or an L. Break even or an L, break even or an L. There is some days that I win, yes. There is some days that I, you know, actually get a W in the market, but recently it's been W or break even. I mean, no, not W, break even. L or break even, L or break even. So after losing my 150K account, the goal right now is to basically stay on demo for now. Stay away from evals, stay away from challenges, stay away from all that bullshit right now, and really focus on winning trades and really focus on getting my rhythm back in the market. Back in, I think it was last summer, I was killing it, you know, made 15 grand in a month. I was killing it past 250K challenges, but you know, the markets change and my strategy hasn't really changed by then, like since then, and I've been losing since then. So what I am gonna be doing, I am gonna be trying to not learn, but rebuild my strategy and really go over everything on the charts. But I just have to reevaluate everything before I end up going and purchasing another funded account, another funded challenge. But look, there is nothing wrong with staying on demo. There is nothing wrong with practicing your craft and hitting it every day, even if it's on demo. It really doesn't matter. Whatever people tell you, oh, you're not really trading, you're not really you're faking it or whatever. No, you're putting in reps in, you're putting in the time and effort to become profitable and to become better at this day trading skill, because this day trading skill is really hard to master. So that's what I'm gonna personally do. I'm gonna stick for a demo maybe for like a week or two, see how that goes. I am still gonna be recording on I'm still gonna be recording, even though if I have work today, I'm recording. I have work tomorrow, I'm gonna record. I have work Friday, I'm gonna record. I'll see, you cannot forget the creatine. I'm saying gotta take the creatine. And I'm saying got the gains coming through. But right now we're about to eat some eggs, you know, get our day started. You know, this video is gonna be more like a vlog type because I do work. So we got 3 eggs right here. Hold on. And we got like 3 eggs, but we're gonna do 5 today. So we got 2 in the pan and 3 over there. So y'all see it right there. We got all these 5 eggs. All right, let's cook them here. I see it. We got the kegs. What the hell? We got the eggs cooking. Now I about to take this creatine. Y'all see it. Hold on. Y'all see it here. I just stir this bitch up and I just take it like a shot. Y'all see it though. Creatine. Oh, shit is disgusting, huh? But we're good. We got these eggs cooking still. I'm about to flip them and we're gonna eat that shit. Now I'm gonna go dog this, and then after I'm gonna get on the charts, do a little bit of back testing. The lighting is bad. Oh, do a little bit of back testing and then we'll head to work. All right, we back at home. We just finished up work. I ended up not going to the gym today because I'm taking a rest day today because I worked out so much the past 2 days. I've been in the gym heavy, really heavy. But yeah, I've been in the gym really heavy. But now I just came back from work. My hair's a little messy. I have the beanie on all day, so my hair's not even done. But this is where the video is gonna end. I just wanted to update you guys on everything. It's not really much of a trading video. Well, this lighting sucks. Give me 1 second. Yeah. So fuck. So this wasn't really like a trading session video, but I showed you guys the update and the things that I'm gonna be doing on demo and the things that I'm gonna be doing just in general. So this is where the video is gonna come to an end. If you guys could subscribe, like, and comment, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.